Okay, in this clip, we're going to skin the fish that we've already filleted. Start with your skinning knife. You grab a hold of the skin here at the very end of the tail. And once again, you kind of try to feel the blade as much as you can against the skin, working against the table. You're basically trying to separate the skin from the meat. You're not really wanting to cut anything. If you can follow me, you're not cutting into flesh. You're not cutting into skin. You're just separating skin from meat. And that would be considered a very good cut right there. No meat on the skin. Do the same thing with the other side. Sometimes one side is a little bit easier to get than the other. But if you're not cutting for a living, you don't have to worry a whole lot about your yield. And believe me, you'll get better at this. Once again, very little skin, or very little meat, if any, left on the skin. Now you have two beautiful Gulf of Mexico grouper fillets.